Nokia N95 lower block disassembly and assembly. You will need the following tools: the SS93, the dental pick, metal tweezers, a bit holder with a Torx Plus size 6-bit, a torque driver, a straight-bladed screwdriver and a DC plug. Always cover the windows with a protective film. Unlock and remove the battery cover. Shift open the assembly. Bend open the back cover assembly carefully. The removal of the SD card door becomes easy now. Keep all 6 adhesives of the back cover clean, otherwise you have to change them before reassembly. Gently pry open both plastic clips of the ITU keypad. Lift it up now and remove it. Shift the assembly together and turn it to access the screws. Unscrew the 4 Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown. Remove all screws and discard them. Do not use them again. Lift up the top cover assembly first, then remove it. Shift out the assembly in order to gain the maximum flex foil length. Separate the assemblies. Keep in mind that the flex foil is still connected. Be double careful while opening this connector. Do not destroy the hidden components underneath. Now the parts can be separated. Unscrew both screws in the order shown and remove them. Lift up the light swap PWB together with the main camera. To separate the camera, disconnect the flex connector first. Do not lever out against the components. Remove the USB seal. The bottom cover can be separated easily. Ease out the microphone and discard it. Use a new one when reassembling. Remove the DC jack and the AV connector with the DC plug. Gently lever out the glued-in NOS speakers. The gaskets will be destroyed. Remove all residues before reassembling. Lever up the first metal latch of the BB shield and then the second one. Do not touch or bend the gasket. Keep it together with the PWB. Gently release the adhesive of the camera protective shutter module. Mind the hidden switch underneath. Remove it now. It can't be reused again. Release the flex of the 1UJ flash module, beginning at the connector's side. Now peel up the flex. Now release the still fixed side with the SS93. The module can't be used again. Check that no residues of the adhesive remain. The disassembly procedure of the lower block is now completed. Assembly. Remove the protective film from the 1UJ flash module. Align the module exactly to the alignment tabs. Smooth it down evenly. Note the components. Now position the connector side. Do not bend the connector springs while pushing down. Remove the protection film from the camera protective shutter. Align it and push down the assembly as shown evenly to fix the adhesive. Place the BB shield into the chassis. Do not bend the HF gasket. Complete the tonneau speakers with new adhesives. Mind the correct positioning before placing the speakers into the chassis. Push them down evenly. Insert the AV connector and the DC jack. Insert the microphone. Fit the bottom cover to the chassis now. Place the USB seal. Insert the PWB into the chassis, beginning from the bottom. Insert the screws of the bottom cover. To prevent damaging the plastic threads, turn the screws to the left first. Then tighten them slightly. Check the camera and the window for cleanness before going on. Position the main camera over its recess. Push down the camera. Close the flex connector. Set the correct torque. Apply the torque in the order shown. Position the upper block below the PWB. Close the flex connector. Bring the slider into position shown while placing it over the lower part. Insert the two new screws. Tighten these screws slightly. Now place the top cover. Insert the next two new screws. Close the slider. Set the correct torque. Apply the correct torque to the screws in the order shown. Ensure that the protection film is still fitted, otherwise protect it with a plastic film. Turn the unit. Insert the ITU K-mate. Smooth it down evenly. Click the snaps into their places. Complete the back cover with the SD card door. Check all 6 adhesives for cleanness. Replace them if they are dirty, destroyed or missing. Remove the protective film and close the shutter. Place the back cover over the assembly. Click all snaps into their places. Check that no gaps remain and that all keys operate. Complete the assembly with the battery cover.